Hello students, in the previous video the video has paused due to some reasons. So I was solving this question, right? Up to here we have solved minus 7 into 4 minus 9 into plus 9 into 4 and 3 into 9 plus 4 into 5 9. Up to here I hope you have understood what to do. Now let's do it. 7 4s are 28, 9 4s are 36. So I've written already, because we know this, that 36 will be the denominator of this rational number. Okay, so 7 4s are 28 and 3 9s are 27, 4 9s are 36. I have already written. 9 4s are 36 already written. So it is solved and you get this one, and when it is solved you get this one, and this plus just copy it down. Up to here I hope you understood, right? So how we get this? The two step. One is LCM. Whatever the LCM, we write it as it is. Now you have to check in the table of in the denominator when this LCM will come. 4 times it will come, so I'm multiplying with denominator and numerator with the same number, so I'll get this one. And here also I multiply with the denominator and numerator with the 9, so I'll get this one. Okay, so this is the solution we get. Now here see, we will get the same denominator. So the first step of this is the main funda of this question, case 2, where we have the different denominator and we will solve in such a way that we'll get the same denominator. Now we will have the same denominator like the case 1, where we had a different denominator, where we have a same denominator, so now we will solve it in the same way that we have solved in the case 1. 36 I'm writing is that is 36, and 28 plus 27. So let's solve it. Just write 36 as it is, and this 36. Okay, so this will be the answer. Hope you have understood. See one more question, and this question number 21 of the same exercise. Okay, this is the question number 21 of the same exercise. I'm showing you from where I have given. So the case 2, this question number 13, 14, 15 is also the same kind of case, so you can solve it, right? See, this minus sign, I don't think it will confuse you. It is in the denominator. You just have to write in the upside and then you have to solve. Okay, this one, see, denominator is the downside. I have already told you. So we'll go to the question number 21. Where's 21? See this one. Simplify. Okay, 21. 2 by minus 3 plus 5 by minus 4. So I'm solving it for you. 2 by minus 3. Let's do the LCM of 2 and minus 3 and minus 4. But before doing the LCM minus 3 and minus 4, let's make it a bit simple. Miss, just remove this minus sign, or you can shift this to the upside. How? Minus 2 by 3. How I'm writing this minus is I'm shifting to the upside, plus this minus 4 I'm shifting to the upside. I'll get this one. Okay, now minus 2 by 3. Now it's a minus and it is a plus, so let's simplify it more. Plus minus by 4. Okay, now you will get this numbers. Okay, so let's solve it. 3 and 4. Let's do the LCM of 3 and 4. LCM of 3 and 4 is of course 12. Okay, so as the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12, that means this number will also have the denominator 12, and this number will also have the denominator 12. Now we'll check in the table of 3 when this 12 will come. In the table of 3 it comes in the 4 time, so let's write this 4 in the upside also. Okay, again checking, the next step is checking, right? So in the table of 4 when this 12 will come 3 times, just write 3 and the same copy it in the upside. Up to here understood? So I have checked and I have written in which time it will come. So I have written in the downside as well as the upside. So 2 4 is 8 minus 5 3 is 15 minus. So let's write it again. 12. Now we have the same denominator. So I've written minus 8 minus 15. Answer will be minus 23 by 12. Answer. Okay. So see this here, what difference is here, that is minus and plus. You have to solve it out, means you have to solve it using the rule, that is plus minus minus, and then you will go according to the solution process. Okay, so this kind of question you will see here. This is minus and means plus 3 by 7 and minus 4 by 5. So and means plus minus minus it will be. So the next step will be 3 by 7 minus 4 by 5, and then you will go according to the rule. Okay, so hope you have understood the way of solving using the LCM method. One more question is there, that is question number 18. See question number 18. You have to solve all the questions by yourself. Okay, I'm telling you the way of solving, so wherever you get the doubt you can ask me. Okay, see, I've written the question. 12 minus 8 and 4. Find the LCM of these three. 12, 8 and 4. Let's simplify it first. Okay, this is minus 8, so just write minus 11 by 12 as it is, minus, just write on the upside, it will come to the upside. Okay, this plus minus, it becomes minus 3 by 8 plus 1 by 4. Okay, LCM of 12, 8 and 4 will be, let's find the LCM. 2 6 is 12, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 is 4. So LCM will be 24. Okay, so 24 is the LCM. That means these all will have the 24 in its denominator. Okay, this is the main funda. We have to make the denominator same. Okay, when the denominator are different, you have to make this denominator same, and that denominator will be the LCM of these denominators. Okay, these three denominators, so whatever the denominator is there. So I'm writing in the table of, okay, let's do it. 12. In the table of 12, when this 24 will come, it will come 2 times. So I'm writing multiplying with the 2 and same with the numerator. In the table of 8, when this 24 will come, 8 3 is 24, right? So I'm multiplying the denominator as well as numerator 3. And again, let's go to the 4, third number. In the table of 4, when this 24 will come, 6 times. So copy this 6 the upside also. Okay, now let's solve this question. Minus 11 to 2 is minus 22 by 12 to the, of course it will be 24. Everyone will have the same denominator. Okay, now 3 is 9, 8 is 24, plus 1 6, 4 6 is 24. Now you get the same denominator, so I'm writing it one time. So minus 22 minus 9 plus 6. So let's solve it. minus 22 minus 9 plus 6. Answer will be minus 9 plus 6 minus 3 minus 3 minus 22 minus 25. This will be the answer. Okay, so this is all way of solving when there are three rational numbers. Okay, so only these kind of questions are given in exercise also. So hope you can understand, you can solve it when there are three rational numbers are given. Means when the three rational numbers are given, you just have to do the same in the same way. Just you have to find the means LCM of all these three numbers. Okay, in the same way this question number 22 also will do. This one, question number 27, see there is a 0 and nothing is given in the answer, so it will be 1. Okay, now you have to find the LCM of 7, 1, 9, 7 and 21, and then you have to solve it. Okay, means you have to check when this LCM will come in the denominator of each of these rational numbers, and then you have to go as I have explained you in the previous questions. Okay, so see this question, write this question in your copy and do it as your homework. And wherever you got a doubt, you can ask me in WhatsApp. I'll solve it out. Okay, so this is the homework. Question number 13, just write it down, 13 to 16. And this is also the case 2's homework. So question number 6 to 12, 13 to 16, and then 17 to 27. Tomorrow I'll explain you question number 28 and the next exercise 1.2. Okay, in exercise 1.2, this is the exercise 1.2, you can see, and this negative of rational number, just copy this definition in your copy. Okay, write this definition. What do you call the additive inverse of a rational number? Additive inverse of a number is called its negative. So write this in your copy, note it down. Tomorrow in the next video I'll explain you. Thank you.